Welcome to my class, your class. Hi, kids. Let's learn English together. What does it mean? What does sit down mean? Sit down means put your body on the chair. Sit down means sit. I sit down in the classroom. What does stand up mean? Stand up means get on your feet. Stand up means stand. I stand up in class. What does open your book mean? Open your book means open it. Open your book means look inside the book. I open my book. What does look at mean? Look at means see with your eyes. Look at means watch. Look at the board. Let's remember. Sit down, sit on the chair, stand up, get on your feet, open your book, open the book, look at, see with your eyes. Amazing job, kids! See you next time!